Imagine turning $5 into $500 in Las Vegas. Sounds like a magic trick? Wrong. It's Google Ads. Most small businesses crash and burn because they ignore this gold mine. But here's the twist. It's not about spending more. It's about targeting smarter. Picture your ideal customer. Where are they? What do they want at 3 p.m. on a Vegas Friday? Now, Google Ads lets you reach them exactly then and there. You can test, tweak, and scale, like having a marketing crystal ball. Here's the secret weapon: localized keywords. Vegas tourists, locals hunting for deals, late-night partygoers, all searching online. Capture them first. And guess what? Success isn't just sales. It's building a loyal fan base that keeps coming back. Don't waste cash on blind ads. Use Google data to make every penny count. Imagine knowing exactly which ads bring in customers who spend more, return often, and tell their friends. That's the power of smart targeting. From pinpointing neighborhoods to timing your ads during peak hours, Google Ads gives you control others only dream of. Ready to turn your small biz into a Vegas jackpot? What would $500 mean for your business today? It could mean new equipment, hiring staff, or expanding your offerings. The possibilities are endless when you harness the power of Google Ads effectively. Start small, think big, and watch your investment multiply right before your eyes.